All right, now we're going to learn our new red word. All right, one of our new red, look at me and sit still. One of our new red words is the word she. Can you think of a sentence with she in it? She went to the store. That's good. Levi, can you please be quiet? Good. All right, so let's think about the sounds in the word she. Ready? E. So I'm going to write on here, look. Sh. E. All right, so what do we hear? Sh. E. So that's the long E, right? E. This is what the word she looks like. E. She. All right, so here is our word she. Look at it. She. You ready to write it? All right. Here's the bumpy screen. Here's your red crayon. All right, write it. Ready? And say the sound. Say the letter. S, S, H, E. Now trace back over it. She. S, E, she. One more time. She. Good. All right, now you're going to, this, fine. Go over there now. Now you're going to lock it and load it. Ready? Other arm. This arm. She. Again. One more time.
She.
Good. Now you're going to trace over your letters that you wrote and say the names right here. No, with your finger. You're going to finger trace it. Levi.
She.
Good. All right. Now you're going to raise your arm in the air and you're going to write it very big. Ready? Say this. Say the letters. S. H. She. And then. Good. Good. Now you're going to write it 3 times. Ready? Say the letters. She. Now down here. Good. She. Good. Now write it all by yourself. Now, ready? She. Good. All right, now we're going to pound a sentence. You're going to use your pencil. So let's write it right here with your pencil from memory. Ready? Write it. S. Good. All right, now we're going to pound these sentences that I read. We're going to pound the sentences, okay? So what I mean is I'm going to tell you a sentence 2 times. Wait a minute. I'm going to tell you a sentence 2 times, and you're going to pound it with this pen. So whatever I say, you're going to do. So if I say, the frog ran, you're going to do, the frog ran. Okay? After I tell you. All right, so here's the sentence. I'm going to read it to you 2 times. Ready? Did she sit on the sod? Let's pound it. Ready?
Did she sit on the
Good. Did she sit on the sod? Pound it again.
Did she sit
On.
the sod?
Good. All right, now write it. Capital letters too, remember?
What's this?
And a question mark, remember? Sod. Good. Good job. All right. This is what it looks like. Did she sit on the sod? Very good. Yep. All right. Next sentence. Get ready to pound it. Get your pounder ready. Ready? She can fan the man. She can fan the man. Pound it with this hand. Good. Now write it. Capital letters. Good job. Here's what it looks like. She can fan the man. Very good. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did great.